an eye on in tonight's game.
Points in the paint. The team that can win the battle down there is going to be the one that comes out on top.
What are you doing?
Puts up the J. Hill with an easy two. Puts it up. Swatted away by Davis.
Out of bounds. Hornets ball.
For three. Got it.
He was so open, how could he not hit it?
He fakes the shot. In to O'Neal. Gives it off to Davis. He's been robbed. To Anderson. To Davis. He takes it strong to the hoop.
The assist to number 8, Kenny Anderson.
Gives it off to Hill. Back to McGrady. Dishes off to Anderson. Pushing the ball up court now. Got it.
They're showing off their potent offense right now.
That's a 7-zip run. Fakes it. Blocked by Campbell. To Davis. To McGrady. Looks for three. Got it.
McGrady for three. The assist to Grant Hill.
Anderson, top of the circle. The Magic with nowhere to be seen on that play.
Don, the shooter had all the time he needed to get that shot off. Baron Davis has great court vision, but court vision translates to plenty of assists out there. C-Web's the complete package. He's got skill, speed, strength, and size.
The assist to Kenny Anderson.
Dish to O'Neal. Gonna shoot.
Shaquille O'Neal. The assist to number 4, Chris Webber.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Hill with the J. McGrady takes the offensive rebound. Davis with the board. High contact, Bob.
That's what we've been saying.
He has 6 points.
The assist to number 8, Kenny Anderson.
He fakes the shot. Anytime he's out on the floor, he dominates both ends.
And that's why he's an all-star year after year.
He loves the isolation and lets him show off his offensive skills. With the nice shot fake. Gives it off to Davis.
2 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
To Hill. The three. He couldn't get it to fall. Campbell takes the board.
Hey, yo, come on. Hold it. That's not right. Right.
They work the oldest play in the book with the pass off the pick and roll.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. He buries the shot. Tosses it into Webber. Anderson sets up the offense.
Pinpoint passing as he came off that pick and hit him when he rolled.
To Brown. Backs his man down. Gonna shoot. He hits it. The Hornets lead by 8. Webber shoots. He trains the jumper. Anderson will bring it up court. He sets things up. The offense is looking to get something in the post.
You want to try to get the post players involved.
Shot blocked by Davis. You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Even if it's a bad pass, you just need to be aware of it and make a play for the ball.
Webber with the 2.
He's a one-man scoring machine.
Shaquille O'Neal.
He gets the ring, baby. Step it up. Coming up on the right.
Anderson with the shot. He buries the jumper. The Hornets are up by 6. McGrady sets it up on the left side. Meshburn with the defensive foul.
Jamal Meshburn. First foul in the last 2 minutes.
Weber is one of the league's leaders in free throw accuracy.
Weber.
Makes the foul shot. He initiates the offense. Hill grabs it. They see the clock is off and they'll hold for the last shot.
Let's see if they can end this quarter with a bang.
I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Oh, that was a monster pick.
Oh, you could almost hear the defender's teeth rattle.
Puts up a prayer. At the end of the first, the Hornets lead the Magic 21-16. We've got one quarter down and 3 to play.
And if that first quarter was any indication, we're in for quite a game.
To Anderson. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Campbell drains the two. The Hornets are ahead by 7. To Webb with a nice shot fake. Finger roll. We're seeing some instant offense, Robert.
They just add a little water and stir it on up.
One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. There's the fake. With the shot, McGrady gets the rebound. Davis with a finger roll. Davis fakes the shot. On target. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. That's a 6-0 run. We've got an isolation. Let's see if another defender comes over to help.
New Orleans ball. Into the game for the Hornets.
Nisby shoots. He misses it. He pump fakes. Gives it off to Davis. This team has got a hot streak going right now. Orlando's on an 8-0 run. He sets it up on the right side.
Out of bounds. New Orleans ball. Into the game for the Hornets. Number 9, George Lynch.
Dish to Wesley. The 3. This game won't be won that way.
They need to make sure they're getting their guys the ball where they can make the shot. They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. Looking for the rainmaker. Wesley for 2. Weber with the fake to Davis. Tries the 3. Nails the rainmaker. With the nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. New Orleans ball. Into the game for the Hornets.
Swatted away by O'Neal.
Nailon.
Drop that. Big. Hold that.
Stolen. Orlando is racing up court. He threw that one down hard.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Nathan puts it up. He hits the shot.
The assist to David Wesley. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
He pump fakes. Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assist to number 1, Aaron Davis.
To Lynch. Slams it. Orlando was half that time.
That was some real defensive inadequacy.
Eldon Campbell.
With the nice shot fake. Dishes off to Davis. Passes off to Davis. To Webb. O'Neal. Very good. Campbell takes the rebound. He sets up the offense. Wesley is trying to get the ball into the post area.
They can get points in the paint. It may open up the outside shot.
Quick pass. The Magic are up by 6.
The assist to Baron Davis.
He'll bring it up court. Wesley, good fake.
Out of bounds. Hornet
I think the player knew he got caught.
Oh, definitely. He had his hand in the cookie jar up to the elbow. There's no way he's going to admit it.
Weber is called for the defensive foul. This is when you want to call a timeout.
The players on the floor are frustrated. Coach isn't happy, and neither are the guys on the bench.
They've got to come together. As a former Raptor, T-Mac felt like he was option number 2. There's no question he's the main man on this team. Dish is off to Weber.
Out of bounds. Hornets ball.
They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. McGrady now has 7 points. Wesley wants to try and work it into the post here.
Mash thrives on scoring the big points when a team really needs it.
With the layup.
They've got to get out and start disrupting their offensive flow. No more easy passes.
With the nice shot fake. Up with the shot. At the end of the second, the Magic lead the Hornets 37-34. After one half of play, Bob, what do you see them doing to get back into this one?
Better shot selection. Down too many times in the first half. These guys just settled for the first shot they saw.
And let's see if they're able to move things around more inside. Up fake to T-Mac. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority. Henderson will bring it up court. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. With the nice shot fake. Yes!
This is what you call a shooting streak.
The assist to DJ Brown.
Hill takes the shot. Brown grabs it.
He forced the shooter to pull up and try the shot.
Stolen.
Orlando, they're using great defensive pressure to come up with the ball.
Swats it away. Weber called for the backcourt violation. Gonna shoot. Nice ball. Misfired. O'Neal takes the rebound. That was a slick two-handed jam. He has 11 points. Henderson will bring it up court. This is what all the noise is about. He'll bring it up court with the quick spin move. The fake. Three-pointer. Got it.
He delivers on another big
The
basket.
assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
He sets up the offense. If you want to go by the number of steals, this team has been a defensive powerhouse tonight. Hill, good.
Orlando comes up with the big J.
Henderson feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. He's going to try and take his man one-on-one here. Henderson is trying to run some plays from the big man to get some production in the paint.
Out of bounds. New Orleans ball.
6 on the shot clock. Looks at a three. No good. O'Neal gets the rebound. I'm not sure who that pass was intended for.
I don't think the passer knew either.
Henderson sets it up on the right side. The three. Can't find the hole. Weber grabs it. He fakes. Goes up with the shot. No good. Nice burn. Boards it. Anderson is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint.
2 minutes left in the third quarter.
He buys the shot fake. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. That's a 7-zip run. 5. McGrady grabs it. They're off and running. That was an unbelievable 180 dunk. That's a 9-0 run. He'll bring it up court.
5 up.
Davis is whistled for the defensive foul. They didn't like what they saw from him that time.
This game is not going their way right now, and that's got them all worked up.
Stolen. Hill can't find the hole. Who taught that guy how to pass?
You need to make sure your man knows the ball is heading his way.
Hey, listen, works, right? 1.
He calls for the clear out.
Looks like there might be some shaking and baking going on here.
That gives him 9 points. He fakes the shot, passes off to Weber. To Shaq. To Davis. It's stolen. Sends it to Anderson. He sets up the play. Weber with the steal. They're running and gunning. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to Chris Weber.
Anderson sets up the play.
Defensive
Davis
foul
picks
to
up the
number 1,
defensive
Baron
foul.
Davis. That's his second.
First one is good.
They are now in the penalty.
Anderson sinks the second. To Davis. He gets his man in the air. Slapping it down with a windmill dunk. Orlando decreases their lead to 10.
Baron Davis.
5.
He wants the isolation.
He knows he's the one with the advantage going one-on-one.
Anderson gets that one. He leads the team with 10 points.
31. Ricky Davis.
To C-Web. At the hole. Can't find the hole. At the end of the third, the Magic lead the Hornets. Their coach has to be pretty happy with their play so far anyway.
Always want to go to the fourth quarter ahead on the scoreboard, but the big question is, can you hang on to that lead?
Strips the ball. Mashburn will bring it up court.
4. Pick right.
Davis with the defensive foul.
Defensive foul to number 1, Baron Davis.
That was some sloppy defense that time.
Tracy McGrady into the game for New Orleans. David Wesley.
Anderson sets it up. He puts up the jumper. Got it!
Count it.
Gives it off to Weber. Goes up. Yes!
The coach is giving him the green light.
And he's lighting up the scoreboard, Bob. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Davis with the interception. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk. The Magic leads by 10. And great pressure results in another steal.
Don, this team is doing whatever it takes to win.
That puts some points on the board.
He's lighted up like New York City's Broadway.
3.
Wesley pump fakes. He nails the rainmaker. He's now got 8 points. To Davis. Fake. That was a slick two-handed jam. Anderson takes the shot. Davis with the board. If I were coach, I'd be telling him slow up and set up right now. To Hill. Mashburn with the steal. Opening up the floor with a fast break. Wesley makes the finger roll.
The assist to Anderson.
Brown goes for the shot fake. Now that's what I call a power
For
jam.
the New Orleans Hornets, number 17, Bryce Drew.
He sets it up on the right side. Looks for a three-pointer. Drew comes up empty. O'Neal takes the board. Dishes off to Hill. McGrady, good fake. Brown with the steal.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Shot blocked by O'Neal. Campbell goes up. Yes! He's now got 10 points. New Orleans is behind by 9.
2 minutes left in the fourth quarter.
That player needs to get his head back into the game.
New
I
Orleans.
can't figure out why he would crowd the line when there's no press.
Looks at a three. Nope. Weber pulls it down. Orlando is on the fast break, and they've got the numbers. The Magic are ahead by 11. Anderson will bring it up close. They're using up a lot of energy, but they're getting a lot of steals.
You've got to consider that a pretty fair trade.
Yeah, definitely. He has 6 points this quarter. This team is in deep trouble right now.
Time is running out, and so are their eyes.
T-Mac sent that one packing.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball into the game for the Hornets. Number 31, Ricky Davis.
Pump fakes. O'Neal pump fakes. Steal. He was intent on getting that ball.
This player loves to one-up his man.
Going for three. O'Neal collects the rebound. McGrady sets things up. Hill fakes the shot. Davis with the J. Niceburn takes the rebound. He sets it up on the left side to Monster Mash. Looks at a three. O'Neal grabs the rebound. That's 5 boards for the former LSU Tiger. New Orleans didn't have enough men back that time.
When the projectile changes, you got to turn on a dime.
Davis lets it fly. O'Neal pulls it down. That's 6 boards for the former LSU Tiger. Hill with a finger roll. The Magic on an 8-0 run. Anderson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
The Magic on a 10-0 run. The Magic lead by 19. Anderson sets the offense. Anderson misses the three. Weber takes the rebound. Tonight's final score, the Magic 74, the Hornets 55.